Welcome back to Little Math Joy Quiz. Can you solve this tricky math word problems? Can you score 10 out of 10? Let's start.
Question 1. A father is 30 years old and his son is 10 years old. How many years older is the father than the son? The correct answer is 20. Question 2. A worker can complete a task in 8 hours. How much of the work will he complete in 2 hours? The correct answer is 1/4. Question 3. A pipe can fill a tank in 10 hours. How much of the tank will be filled in 5 hours? The correct answer is 1/2. Question 4. 2 workers can complete a task in 6 hours. How long will it take one worker to complete it alone? The correct answer is 12 hours. Question 5. A man can paint a wall in 4 hours. How much of the wall will he paint in 1 hour? The correct answer is 1/4. Question 6. A tap can fill a tank in 12 hours. Another tap can fill the same tank in 6 hours. If both taps are open, how long will it take to fill the tank? The correct answer is 4 hours. Question 7. A man completes 1/3 of a work in 2 days. How many days will he take to complete the whole work? The correct answer is 6 days. Question 8. A tank is 1/4 filled by a pipe in 3 hours. How long will it take to fill the tank completely? The correct answer is 12 hours. Question 9. A man can do a piece of work in 7 days. He worked 3 days and then left. What fraction of work is left? The correct answer is 4/7. Question 10. A worker can do a job in 10 days. Another worker can do the same job in 15 days. How long will it take if they work together? The correct answer is 6 days.
That's all for this quiz. How many did you get right? Comment your score and try the next challenge.